National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 114, effective until 3 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Grundy, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lee, Ogle and Will, and Lake, Indiana, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, and Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ81 Lockport.
Notifications.
One new notification. From Amazon, U.S. National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for Orland Hills. It'll be in effect until April 4th, 3 p.m. CDT.